Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our other cost, right? So now we can able to insert our other cost, we can update it, we can edit it, right? So here we successfully complete that part. So now in this video I want to discuss about another option. As a report management. Okay, so into the report management there have a lot of the advanced things I will share with you. Now let's start it with the monthly and the yearly profit. Okay, so that is actually profit. If you want to calculate it, how can do that work in this video, I will show you that things with the live example. So that will be very much easy process because we already did this type of work. That will be not much hard for you. First of all, I want to do for the report management, I want to create another menu, and also I want to create another prefix for this one. Let's do that work. For doing this, that is our user interface, and there is another menu, right? So now I want to actually change it. So that is in our sidebar. Now go to our sidebar. Right now we don't need this. I want to close everything. Okay, I close everything. So into the sidebar, right now there is a user interface. I better make it as a report. Okay, report interface, and then I name it that will be as a account management. So now I want to make it as a report management. Okay, I make it as a report. Okay, reports management. And for the report management also we have to update that prefix. Better actually I copy it. Okay, I copy total things from here. I copy total things from to this position, and then in our report interface here there is a li. I simply remove this li, okay, and I paste it. So that will be our new one. That will be as a report. So that will be as a report management. Okay, reports management. So that is our reports management. I want to create another prefix. Our prefix will be as a reports. So that will be as our main prefix. I think you already remembered that part. So right now we don't need this. I only want to start with the one. That means that will be our first one, right? And here I want to name it as a monthly and the yearly profit. So I want to change that name. I want to name it as a monthly or yearly profit. Okay, so that will be this type of one of the menu I want to create. Rather than you can also use it as a monthly hyphen yearly profit. So this type of one of the menu I want to create, and here I want to create one of the route for display. That means we have to create one of the view page, right? And I name it as a monthly right now. Okay, monthly and then profit. So monthly profit view. So that will be our route, and also I want to update it that active route. So that will be our active route as a monthly profit view. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. And now we have to create another prefix as a reports, and also we have to create this route. Now go to our web route. Into the web route, that is actually our new one, right? So here there is actually our new one as a mark. There is accounts. So that is actually accounts management, right? So that is our account. That is our account management, all that route. So now I copy everything. Okay, I copy total things from here. I copy everything, and here after this that is our last one, and then I paste it. So right now we don't need this. I actually remove it. I only want to take with the one. Then step by step we will update our total route. Okay, so that means that is our prefix. I put that prefix name. I put that prefix name as a reports. That will be as a reports, and then into the reports area. So I make it also want to change it as a report. Okay, that will be the report management, all routes. Okay, all routes. Perfect. So now our sidebar, into the sidebar area, I name it, our route name will be as a monthly profit, and then view, and then that will be as a monthly profit view. I name it as a monthly profit view. That means the report monthly profit view. Perfect. And then also better for our profit, I want to create another controller. I name it as a profit. So that will be as a profit, not the profit. Okay, so I make it as a profit. That will be as a profit. That means right now also we have to update it. We have to update our, this one will be as a profit, this will be as a profit. That is a monthly profit view. So that is our route. That is a spelling mistake, right? So that is profit, and then I want to create one of the controller as a profit controller, and into the profit controller I want to create one of the method. Our method will be as a monthly profit view. So this type of one of the method I will create in our this controller. So I didn't create this controller. First of all, I want to create this controller. Now go to our project, and here that is our accounts, right? So right now I want to change that our folder name. I want to create another one as a report. That means the report related every controller I want to create on here, and into this report folder I want to create one of the controller name that will be as a profit controller. So I want to create another profit controller, and that means automatically it will be created one of the folder as a report folder, and to the report folder it will be created this one of the controller. Right now if you click as a enter, now you can see controller created successful. And now if you want to check it, so that is our backend. Into the backend you can see it's now created one of the folder as a report, and in the report area that is our new controller as a profit controller. So first of all we have to support it in our web route. So into the web I want to change, first of all add it. Better I copy it, and that will be our new one. I name that our folder name as a report. So that will be as a report folder. Into the backend there is a report folder, and here I have created one of the controller name as a profit controller. So that will be as a profit controller, right? So that is our controller name. Perfect. So now I want to use this. That means that is our profit controller, and here I want to create this method as a monthly profit view. Now go there, and I want to create one of the new method and name it as a public, and then function, and then our method name. Right, friend? I think it's very much clear to you. And this monthly profit will be connected with our which table. Here we need I will get all the data from our these three of this table. Okay, one is the employee salaries, one is the other cost, another is the student fee. That means the account related everything. Account, student fee, I have created one of the table. They have some of the data, and also account, employer salaries, and then the account other cost. So I want to actually get all that data from here, because with this we will get all that our monthly and the yearly profit. Okay, so we'll calculate that data. So for doing this I want to support all that our model, because I want to access all that our this table data. So for the reasons here I want to load all that model here. Okay, for the model if you go, first of all I want to take one of the model. Okay, I copy it. So that will be as a model folder app, that means the use app model. And then first of all I will need our model as the employee, that means the account employees salary. So that the model will be needed. I copy it, and now I paste it. That will be another one. So I also want to take another one will be the account other cost. That will be also needed. So I make it as the account other cost. Another one is the account student fee. Okay, that means this model also want to support it, and I have already did a lot of the work with this model. I think you already remember that part. So now I simply use account employee salary, account other cost, and then the student fee. Okay, and also I want to support our PDF, because I also want to generate one of the PDF. So for the PDF I did a lot of the things in our employee. If you go to the salary controller, that is our PDF, right? So now I copy it. Also want to support that PDF, that means the DB and the PDF. DB is not important right now, we don't need this. Actually I remove it. That PDF will be needed. So that is all that our model. Perfect. So now I want to create this method. So into the method area I want to create one of the view page, right? So into the view page means I simply return one of the view page, return view. That means into the backend folder I want to create one of the report folder. report folder, and with the report folder I want to create as a monthly profit or profit. Okay, profit folder, and with the profit folder that will be as a profit view, profit underscore view. This type of one of the page I want to create. That means in our backend. Now go to our backend folder. Into the backend folder, that is our accounts, that is a backend, right? So into the backend I want to create another new folder as a report. So now into the backend I want to create another new folder as a report folder. That means report related everything I want to save on here. And then into the report folder area I want to create another folder and name it as a profit. So that is our report, and that is a profit. And into the profit area I want to create another new file. So that will be on the new file, and then now I click as a save as and name it as a profit view.blade.php. okay, so that will be our page. Perfect. I hope, friend, it's very much clear to you, right? So everything is looking great. So now we have to design our this profit view. So better I want to continue this process in our next video. I will create, that means I will design our this profit view page. Okay, friend. So this page will be just like our if you go to our project, in the project employee management, if you go to that employee monthly salary, so that will be just like that monthly salary. Here I only want to do and to added two of this as a started date and the end date. So with this start date and the end date I will get all the data, and then we will actually display it with one of the PDF format. So that's all we have to do. So better I want to continue this process. In our next video we'll design our this profit view page. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.